It's a 2013 Nissan Maxima. Jet-inspired, soul-stirring, the Maxima takes you way beyond practicality. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. External memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, memory steering wheel settings, dual-zone climate control, VQ engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, sport suspension, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Motor Trend remarks Nissan has done an excellent job on the styling. It's so much better looking than the car it replaces. Nissan excites the senses so you can enjoy the journey. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 2404 Crane Highway in Bowie, Maryland.